Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by cleaning around the sticker so you can see edges and avoid grit scratches. You heat the decal to soften adhesive. Use a hair dryer or low-heat gun and keep it moving to prevent paint damage. Once the edges lift, insert a plastic scraper or fishing line and work a small section at a time. Pull at a low angle to reduce stress on paint. If a corner resists, reapply heat and try again until you have a steady peel. Once the decal is off, you'll see adhesive residue. This is where solvents earn their keep. Apply a dedicated adhesive remover or rubbing alcohol and let it sit for a minute so the bond weakens. You should rub with a microfiber towel using small circular motions, then scrape gently with a plastic razor for thicker glue. Avoid metal blades. After most residue comes off, rinse with soapy water, reassess, and repeat solvent application only on remaining spots so you don't overwork the paint. To finish, use a clay bar to remove microscopic contaminants, then polish lightly to restore gloss and apply wax or a sealant to protect the clear coat. Make sure to inspect the surface for any paint lift. If you see damage, stop and consult a professional or use touch-up paint kits rather than aggressive sanding. If small adhesive patches persist, reapply heat and solvent, repeating gentle scraping. Never resort to abrasive pads or metal scrapers because they will damage the finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.